Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the essentials: an active Meezan bank card, phone with NFC turned on, and the Meezan app logged in. Open the app and navigate to the NFC or Card Services section. This initiates the pairing flow. You'll enter your card PIN when prompted and allow NFC permissions. Once done, tap your card to the phone back as instructed. The app reads card data securely. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts and don't skip verification steps. They protect your funds and identity. Next, you complete the detailed configuration and authorization steps. In the app, authenticate using OTP or biometric. This binds the card to your device. Then set contactless limits and notifications so alerts match your security needs. You should also review allowed merchants and turn on location or merchant verification if offered. Once configuration is saved, perform a low-value NFC payment to a terminal. This practical test confirms the reader and app are communicating properly. To finish, verify your setup by checking transaction history and enabling email or SMS receipts so every NFC payment is recorded. Make sure default payment method is set to your Meezan card if you have multiple cards. If something goes wrong, first toggle NFC off and on, force close the app, then reopen and re-authenticate. These quick steps often resolve pairing glitches. If issues persist, note the transaction ID and contact Meezan support for escalation. Provide timestamps and error messages to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.